Hi, Bay. Happy 18th birthday. 18 na good ka. Kung siya na kayo, di may ka na. Plano may nanmi nga mo na, pero saon nga. Wala may kwarta, tapos mas mahal po ng plate. So, inanin lang yung buhat na magama na lang may murag video nga. Mag-greet me sa mo app. So, Bea, happy 18th birthday. So, kung di bulang ka, pilin ako sa 18 roses and enjoy your birthday. Thanks for the friendship. Love you.
Hi, Bay. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Stay pretty and witty. Do, layo ka sa amua. I-feel dya po na mo nga dool ka na mo. Bitaw. Happy birthday, Bay. Love you.
Birthday, Bea. More boys to come.
Aja.
Hi, Bea! I miss you. Happy birthday! Naku, sayang talaga, Lord! Dahil hindi ko nakupunta sa imong birthday. Bitaw. Ito, be a good sister and a daughter. Dayon. More birthdays to come. I love you, Bea.
Hi, Bea. Happy birthday to you. And we miss you a lot. You know that we love you. And God bless you. Always take care there.
Kamida. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday and may you have a successful career in life, more blessings to come, and may your family kanang prosper mabitaw, and then kanang makakuan da kag sakto nga person sa imong kinabuhi, and ayo pagkuan kasuko pero dapat next time magkita ta kanang kaana kay ka ba si tawag ana kanang ayun ang niwang kanang sa ganito. So Bea, I hope nga magkita ta kanang slim na ka dayon. Well, that's all.
Hi, Bea. Happy 18th birthday. Sayang jud kayo, lami ka na dira. Gaplano man ako pero late na pagtigom bitaw. So, wish you all the best in life. I hope nga you stay the way you are itong high school pa ta, and namiss na ako mag-hug sa imo aba. Gigil to sa imo rats there. Imo to, dalaga na ka karon. So, again, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Stay beautiful and pretty.
Hi, Bay. Happy 18th birthday. Pwede na makauyag ko? Bitaw ayaw sa suhid nila. Oy, kaplan man ang mi ni Kevin nga mo dira sa Dumaguete. Nya wala may walay kwarta na pundo. So, wala na lang na dayon. Just enjoy your day and God bless you always. I miss you, Bay, and I love you so much. Take care.
Hi, Bay. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Then be a good sister.
Hi, I'm Royza.